Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's subtitle block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's make a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. So there's a couple ways to do that. If you're logged into your page, to your site, you'll have this top toolbar. Simply hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Alright, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that, and this is where all of the settings to toggle and configure for the block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title, just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's click on this blue button over here called the block inserter to insert our block. Now, you can either search for the block or scroll down. Since Stackable is on top of list, let's scroll down over here to Subtitle and drag and drop that into our workspace. Now we can go ahead and close this to give ourselves some more room to work with. And now we can work on our subtitle. Basically, the subtitle is just a text block, but it gives us the ability to use global settings in our stackable settings. So all of the subtitles in our page and our posts in our website will be the same. So let's go ahead and type this is some okay, and this is what our font's going to be, right? Whatever we choose to add over here, and change the text color if we wanted to, make it green this time. We can put a shadow or outline on that, add a background on this if we wanted to, use an image, put some border radius on this subtitle, right? Effectively make it a heading if we wanted to. And then we can align the text over here, and then our spacing here, and then our just usual settings, our general settings, our hard position settings, custom attributes, and our responsive settings to hide this on desktop, tablet, and our mobile, and then our advanced settings, which are HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Overall, it's a very simple, straightforward block. Not much to explore here. It's basically text. And let's go ahead and save it and take a look at how it looks like on our live site. Okay, with that done, let's click on View Page, and here is our subtitle block, stackable subtitle block in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.